Your car has rust spots right now, and somewhere a mechanic is hoping you never watch this video. What you're about to see has been quietly ignored by the auto repair industry for decades. A $2 item sitting in your kitchen drawer can remove rust from your car permanently. No sanding, no grinding, no $400 shop visits. The dealerships know this works, the body shops know this works, but if you knew this, they would lose thousands of dollars from you every single year. I have seen people spend $600, $800, even $1,200 on rust treatments that do not even last. Today, that stops. Watch until the very end, because the last tip I share will completely shock you and save you from ever being ripped off again. Think about the last time you noticed a rust spot on your car. Maybe it was on the door panel, maybe the wheel arch, maybe the hood edge. You ran your finger over it and felt that rough, bubbling surface, and your stomach dropped. Because you knew what was coming. A trip to the mechanic. An estimate that feels like a punch in the face. They look at your car for 5 minutes, shake their head slowly, and say something like, "Yeah, this is pretty bad. We are looking at least $350 to $500 just for this panel." And you sit there nodding like you understand. But you do not understand, because what they are doing costs them almost nothing. The products they use cost $3. The technique takes 10 minutes. But they charge you $500 because you do not know what they know. Rust treatment is one of the biggest scams in the auto industry. Americans spend over $3 billion every single year on professional rust removal and rust proofing services. $3 billion. And a massive chunk of that money is completely unnecessary. People bring their cars in for small surface rust spots, the kind that have not even eaten through the metal yet, and they walk out with empty wallets and a receipt that makes no sense. Your neighbor probably did this last summer. Maybe you did too. A tiny rust patch, maybe the size of a coin, and someone charged you $200 to fix it. Meanwhile, the actual solution was in your kitchen the entire time. That anger you're feeling right now, hold on to it. Because what I am about to show you is going to change how you look at car maintenance forever. What I am about to show you goes back further than most people realize. In the 1950s, when the American auto industry was booming, chemical engineers already understood that certain everyday metallic compounds could neutralize iron oxide, which is just the scientific name for rust, on contact. The reaction was documented. The results were proven. But here's what happened. The auto manufacturers were in deep partnerships with specialized coating companies and body shop chains. These companies were making enormous profits, selling rust-proofing packages, rust converter sprays, and professional treatments that cost pennies to produce but hundreds of dollars to buy. When independent research started surfacing about simple household alternatives, the industry quietly buried it, not with a dramatic conspiracy, just with money. They funded their own studies. They promoted their own products through dealership networks. They made sure that mechanics were trained to recommend expensive solutions, not cheap ones. And for 70 years, it worked perfectly. Only 1% of people ever figured this out on their own. Usually older mechanics who learned trade tricks before the corporate training manuals took over. They spent millions keeping this quiet through marketing, through dealership kickback programs, through making the average car owner feel like rust removal was complex and dangerous without professional help. It is not complex. It is not dangerous. And the product that does it costs $2 at any grocery store. You have probably used it to cover a baking dish last week. Aluminum foil. That is the secret they buried. That is the trick the $400 rust jobs do not want you knowing. And today, you're going to know exactly how to use it. Here is why aluminum foil works. And this is the part that will make you realize how simple and brilliant this actually is. Rust is iron oxide. It forms when iron in your car's metal reacts with oxygen and moisture over time. Now aluminum is a metal that sits lower on the electrochemical scale than iron. When you introduce aluminum to rust in the presence of a mild acid, which in this method is just plain water or a tiny bit of vinegar, you trigger a microscale electrochemical reaction. The aluminum essentially sacrifices itself at a molecular level to break apart the iron oxide bonds. The rust does not just get scrubbed away, it gets chemically converted and lifted. Professional rust converters that shops charge $300 to apply use this exact same electrochemical principle, but in a bottled formula with a fancy label and a massive markup. The aluminum foil does it naturally, immediately, and for almost nothing. A standard roll of aluminum foil costs $2 to $3. One roll can treat dozens of rust spots. Compare that to a body shop charging $350 per panel. Compare that to rust-proofing spray kits that cost $80 and require 3 coats and 48 hours of drying time. The aluminum foil method takes 10 minutes per spot, and you will see results with your own eyes before you even finish. No waiting, no drying time, no chemical smell filling your garage. This is not a trick. This is basic chemistry that was always available to you. The industry just made sure you never connected the dots. Now here's exactly how you do this. The method is simple, but you need to follow each step correctly to get the best result. Start by washing the rusted area with regular soap and water. Scrub it gently with a sponge and rinse it clean. You want to remove any dirt, grease, or loose flaking rust sitting on the surface. Dry it completely with a clean cloth. Do not skip this step. A clean surface means the aluminum makes direct contact with the rust and nothing else. That is what makes the reaction work properly. Next, take your aluminum foil and tear off a piece roughly the size of your palm. You do not need a large sheet. A palm-sized piece is enough for most rust spots. Crumple it into a loose ball, not too tight. You want some texture and surface area on the outside of the ball. Too tight, and it becomes smooth and loses its effectiveness. Now here is the key step that most people miss when they try this without proper guidance. Dip the aluminum foil ball into plain water, just water. Get it properly wet. If your rust spot is severe, with deep pitting or heavy orange scaling, add 1 small splash of white vinegar to the water instead. The mild acid in vinegar accelerates the electrochemical reaction significantly, but for surface rust and early stage spots, plain water is completely enough. Do not use salt water. Do not add baking soda. Those change the chemistry in ways that reduce effectiveness on car metal specifically. Begin rubbing the wet aluminum foil ball directly onto the rust spot using firm circular motions. Apply moderate pressure. You will notice something almost immediately. A dark gray or black paste will start forming on the surface. Do not panic. Do not wipe it away immediately. That paste is aluminum oxide mixed with converted iron oxide. It is proof the reaction is happening. It means it is working. Keep rubbing in circles for 2 to 3 minutes on each spot. Spend more time on thicker rust patches. Add more water to the foil ball whenever it starts to feel dry. The reaction needs moisture to continue working. After 3 minutes of rubbing, wipe the area with a clean, damp cloth. Look at what is underneath. The surface rust will be gone. You will see bare metal or a thin gray residue that wipes away easily. If any rust remains, repeat the process 1 more time. 1 or 2 passes handles the majority of surface rust spots completely. Once the rust is removed, rinse the area with clean water and dry it thoroughly. This is important. Bare metal without any coating will begin oxidizing again if left exposed to air and moisture. Apply a small amount of clear coat spray, rust, inhibiting primer, or even a thin layer of petroleum jelly if you want a temporary barrier. This seals the clean metal and prevents the rust from returning. Total time from start to finish is under 15 minutes. Total cost is under $5, including the clear coat. Thousands of people have discovered this method, and the results they report are remarkable. One viewer from Ohio wrote in and said he treated 14 rust spots on his 2009 pickup truck in a single afternoon. He had been quoted $100 by a body shop for the same work. He spent $4. Another person treated the wheel arches on a car she was trying to sell, removed every surface rust spot in 2 hours, and increased her sale price by $800 because the car looked clean and well maintained. Someone else treated the same spot on their car every 2 years and reported that with proper sealing afterward, the rust never came back in the same place. Before using this method, people described looking at their car and feeling helpless, watching rust slowly spread, knowing the repair bill was coming but dreading making the appointment. After using this method, they described something different entirely. Control. The feeling that they understand their car, that they do not need to hand over hundreds of dollars every time something small goes wrong. The results you will see are real. Surface rust, gone in minutes, metal that looks clean and fresh, a car that you feel proud of again, and the results last. Seal the metal properly after each treatment, and you are looking at years of protection from a single 15-minute session. The body shops will never tell you this. The dealership service department will never mention it. But now you know, and you cannot unknow it. If this video helped you, hit that like button right now. It helps more people find this information and escape the cycle of unnecessary repair bills. Subscribe, because next week I'm going to expose another automotive secret that the industry has been hiding for even longer than this one. You will not want to miss it. And before you go, here is that final tip I promised. Once you finish treating your rust spots with aluminum foil, and you have sealed the metal, take a photo of every spot you treated, date it, check it again in 6 months. You will see nothing has come back. And if anyone ever tries to quote you hundreds of dollars for surface rust removal, show them that photo and walk away. You are not a customer anymore. You are someone who knows how this actually works. That knowledge is worth more than any rust treatment money can buy. Share this with someone who has a rust problem right now. They will thank you for it.